Hey folks, welcome to King's Outdoors. One item I keep in my pack a lot is seaweed. It has multiple uses in survival. The first reason I keep seaweed in my kit is because it has high calorie count. This bag here that can be packed flat in your bag has 110 calories in it. That's pretty good for something that can be packed so flat. Another reason is it makes a good fire tinder. How will the seaweed burn, you're asking? Let's test out. I'd say that burns pretty well. Let's see if we can use this as a fuel instead of just as kindling or tinder. So I'm going to take some of the soup seaweed, put it on the bottom, and then take some of the crumpled up seaweed and put it on top of that. And take another sheet of seaweed and crumple up on top of that. That does some tinder. And finally, we're going to take another of these sheets of soup seaweed, which is much thicker and larger, and we're going to lay it on the side to make almost a teepee. Next, we're going to light it up with a match. "13 minutes and 35 seconds later, and it went out." Seaweed comes in a lot of different shapes and sizes. You can get it in the large sheets like this, which are meant for making sushi. You can get it in block-like form like this. This is meant for putting in soup. Or you can get it in an individual wrapped container like this. This is my personal favorite because it doesn't get crushed and it's easy to put in a kit.